Hey guys, it is your girl Dallas Gordon, and I am right back at you with another eBay dropshipping video. And today we are talking about dropshipping from Walmart to Amazon.com. So if you guys don't know me yet, my name is Dallas Gordon. I am an e-commerce business coach as well as a motivational speaker, and I am here to help you to succeed with online selling with focus on e-commerce. But before we get started, guys, if you have not subscribed, please be sure to do so. Hit the bell to be notified of my most recent videos and drop me a comment below. I want to give a big thank you to each and every one of my subscribers, followers, and supporters, because if it wasn't for you, I would not be this far. So thank you, and I truly appreciate each and every one of you. So let's get started. First of all, let me just say that Walmart is my absolutely favorite place to drop ship on eBay. I love to use Walmart.com. And let me talk to you a little bit about that. So first of all, guys, I always suggest that you open multiple Walmart accounts, maybe at least have 2 different ones to start using different information. And the reason that I suggest that is because once you start drop shipping large volumes on eBay.com or other platforms you may sell on, what happens is that you can possibly get your account flagged by Walmart if you start doing large volumes on the platform. So you have to be very, very careful with ordering way too much stuff from one account. You may want to kind of juggle the orders between your accounts so you don't have to risk getting shut down. Okay, but I love Walmart.com. I love the variety. I love that they have 2-day shipping. I love that if you process any order on the store for over $35, you don't have to pay for shipping. I also am tax exempt at Walmart, so I do not have to pay the taxes on my order. So that's something that you also can look into. And it is a wonderful platform to drop ship from. Orders get to customers quickly. The return process is great and it's smooth. And I absolutely love to source items, guys, from Walmart.com. I feel that Walmart has a large customer base. Well, we all know, not really, I just feel, but we all know that Walmart is huge. And I think that with customer reviews and bestsellers and things like that, the way that you sort your list when you're sourcing items from the website can give you a great idea of what products customers are going crazy about and what products customers aren't really raving about or aren't really all that crazy about. So Walmart is a great place to source items, guys. You will find that a lot of the other sellers on eBay.com use Walmart as well. So I would say that Walmart is the #1 place for me personally to drop ship products onto eBay.com. There are lots of other great suppliers out there. Let me make sure that I'm covering everything about Walmart. Yes, I think that's pretty much it. They also have a registry that you can add your items to those registries before you drop ship items to your customers very easily, like a baby registry or wedding registry, so that you can, conceal the price of the items. They make it very easy for you to do whatever it is that you need to do as a drop shipper. So that is why, guys, it is basically my #1 platform to drop ship from. So if you guys have any questions about using Walmart.com, feel free to drop them below and I would love to answer them. It is one of my best suppliers when drop shipping on eBay, and I absolutely love to use Walmart.com. So guys, thank you so much for joining in and watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment below to the channel, and you guys be absolutely blessed. Have a beautiful day just as you are, and I will see you guys later. Bye.